Can you sell me? I said, no, not right now. My grandchildren want to sell you, not me.
Oh, that's nice. I want to buy me in a shed. Where do you buy that at?
At the store, the hot store.
Right there. Why pay for nothing?
They get late to fall down, so leave them.
You sell a tree, no.
No.
You chop it down? No.
I don't cut down now.
Don't cut down nothing.
It's not going to grow. This thing is 100, 200, 300 years. I'm not going to live to see that grow back.
Thank you.
If you want, you have when you have a lot.
Yes.
But this can suck the seed.
And that's a cacao. You suck it?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Mm.
To cut.
You know what it tastes like?
Because I get set up these, I started to have every commission for 40,000.
Yeah, he's covering it. Yeah. But even then, if it's too green and you crack up in the thing, it'll still stick on you.
Yes.